Good morning, students. Today's topic is e-governance. E-governance is the use of electronics, that is, information and communication technology tools, by the government of the citizen. It also brings simplicity, efficiency, and accountability in government. E-governance brings better access to information and excellent services for inhabitants. In the arena of advanced technology, e-governance has distinct place and it facilitates to huge number of customers to perform their task speedily. Basically, e-governance is the just a facility by the government in which you can uh, give or take registration of birth and death certificate, booking of railway tickets, RTI, application submissions, etc. It makes transparency in the system. Two categories of e-governance are: first, to provide information; second, to provide online services. That initiative basically started in 1987, but the main implementation that uh, started in 1990. If we talk about e-governance sites, there are too many e-governance sites are there. Some are National E-Governance Plan, National E-Governance Division, E-Governance Infrastructure, Mission Mode Project, Citizen Services, Business Services, Government Services, Project and Initiatives, R&D in e-governance. Let me talk about, first of all, India.gov.in. It is the national portal of India where different ministries are there. In this portal, which provides a single window access to the information and services provided by the various Indian government entities. This content in the portal is the result of collaborative efforts of various Indian government ministries and departments. Next, if we talk about Go goidirectory.nic.in, it is the Government of India web directory. If we talk about web directory, means the multiple web links will be there. All the government sites or the states or the union territories sites are included in this, like judiciary and legislature, and basically it contains agriculture, commerce, defense, housing, industries, law and justice, rural, and there are different types of services provided in this portal.